Woke up on a
Man,
big
get
fish.
that fish, man. He's right there by the
Woke
water.
up on a fish. We never know what kind of fish, but I'm
You gonna get in them rocks.
Oh, shoot, Uncle John.
You
Come over there.
I fight them for a while and so tell my uncle and brother Freddie, wife. But anyway, in past, we're alright with Freddie. You know what I mean? But you know, when we are fight the fish, we are fight this year. Rather big, watch it. So you know, come like
We're gonna break it, Freddie.
You hear me now, but you know, so
Hey!
Back up.
Yeah, big one.
Don't break it, Freddie.
Don't break it, Uncle. Let him tie himself up. I mean, everybody at that point, everybody had to put you up for you want that big fish.
Big right there. Don't break it, Freddie. That's like a stingray or something.
I'm not fighting for the time. I'm not giving my own thing now, yeah. Ready, and he show me fish. First fishing what I'm saying.
Oh.
Rather than like that.
Yeah, man. It look like a stingray though. I caught him, but I can't pull him in. I can't pull him in. No, I had him for a while, but I gave it to Frick.
You good, Uncle Fred?
When that thing snapping back, they're gonna get the me headache.
Yeah, that's why I went by him.
See, that's why I went by him.
Down now, bro. Don't pass the screen, got it.
Hold up.
That's a stingray?
I don't know.
I don't look like no fish though.
Big.
Yeah, watch the big slippery. They're very slippery.
Okay, yo. Okay. Be careful though, because on the wet rock, yo.
Handle him, Fred.
Some rocks that slippery.
Handle him, Fred.
Can you fish? I mean,
Oh, he's right there.